Using Find My Past to search for absent voters. Following the Representation of the People Act in 1918, many military personnel were still based away from home. A list was compiled of these absent voters so they could still vote. These records provide useful resource for searching for military ancestors. We are using Find My Past, which is a subscription site, but local libraries and the Norfolk Record Office have a subscription which you can use when you visit. Also look out for offers that they may have on this site too. First of all, go to Advanced Search and then A to Z of record sets. In the search box here, if you type absent, then you will get the absent voters lists there that you can search. We're going to search for somebody called Henry Mickleborough in Norfolk. Saying there are 5 results. Just have a look at the top one here to view the image. There is information on the left hand side about where the documents are and the date and things like that. And you can see Henry Rowland Mickleborough here, who lived at Loddon Road in the parish of Broome, but he was currently with the 3rd Norfolks